Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw payments from Stripe into Airtable. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Stripe account. Navigate to the Payments section in the Stripe dashboard. Locate the payment you want to withdraw. Click on the payment to open its details. Check the amount and ensure it is ready for withdrawal. Next, open a new tab and log into your Airtable account. Create a new base or open an existing one where you want to store the payment details. In Airtable, set up a new table with appropriate columns for the payment data. This may include columns for date, amount, customer, and payment status. Return to the Stripe dashboard and click on Transfers in the sidebar. Select the transfer related to the payment you identified. Click on View Details to see more information about the transfer. Now, in Airtable, click on the plus icon to add a new record. Fill in the relevant details from the Stripe payment. Include the payment date, amount, customer name, and status. Once all fields are filled, save the new record. To automate this process, consider using a tool like Zapier. In Zapier, create a new Zap that connects Stripe to Airtable. Set the trigger as a new payment in Stripe. Configure the action to create a new record in Airtable. Map the fields from Stripe to your Airtable columns. Test the Zap to ensure the information transfers correctly. If successful, enable the Zap for ongoing automation. Now you have successfully set up the withdrawal of payments from Stripe into Airtable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.